cable. It broke right here about halfway down, so it was just free twisting. And then this is what the part that I ordered. This whole kit was $10, and it includes the throttle handles, the little grip, and the... Oh, I just realized that came with screws. I could have just used those. Oh my gosh. And then this came with the throttle cable itself. But this is just an extra. I ordered 2 just in case. So yeah, this is the part to fix the buddy. It cost $10. Thanks again. I got my new cable, so this is the old one, which is kind of, you see how dusty it is, and it's still in the same spot. And this is the new one with the heavy duty cable. It's just a lot stronger, so that will work. And yeah, I guess my tip to you guys, if you happen to need to replace a cable, leave the old one in there and then just follow the routing up. So again, just you just start by removing these guys. This will pop out. Your throttle cable will pop out here, and I just left it there. I brought my new one down, connected it, bolted up these 2, and when I did, you'll laugh, I just looked at the old one to see how many threads are on there, and then just counted it. So I made it identical, so it's the same. So yeah, now it's time just to reassemble it. There's the new part.
Bubba.
Oh yeah, so Hayden's graduation party is today.
Oh yeah. Yeah, so here's the new cable, and then here's the old one. So I just kind of left it in there and then just routed it doing the same route. So we're just gonna cut this and remove it just to clean it up. But yeah, here's the brand new one. The part was $10. So it just goes there. I routed it just the same routing. So around here, it's gonna go under. And then look at this. Boom. There's the front of the buddy. So the cable just kind of runs up here, runs up through the headlight, and then over to the throttle handle. So yeah, you can see we got our new ones. We got it installed here. I just got to angle it a little bit better because it's kind of sticking out, but I'll give you a quick show and tell. Ready. Cool. We're just gonna do. Okay guys, I'm back. Well, while I'm here, while I'm in the bike, I figured I'd rather replace the bulb so I don't gotta do that again. So I got a new bulb. Here's the bulb. The buddy bulb size is a H4, so we're just gonna be replacing that. Just kind of goes in there. It's hot out here. Okay guys, well, we are back. We just finished the scooter and it's all fixed, so that's awesome. We got Penelope here, so she just wanted to say hi. All right, so yeah, got our scooter, got it all fixed, and yeah, I got the light on. Here's what it was looking like. Yeah, so all fixed. So we're just gonna go for a quick ride and we'll be right back. All right, well, I got everything reassembled. We're just gonna do our last check. I'm just gonna fire it up and give it some throttle. Put the plastic on. I really just forgot to make sure my headlight works, so I should probably do that. Oh God, I freaked out. It wasn't starting, but the kill switch is on. Oh, headlight, look at that, new headlight. All right, here we go. There we go. Awesome work, everyone. Well, thank you for joining me. We're back on the buddy about 5 days earlier than expected. So thanks for watching. Take care. Now we just got our big old front cover to put back on. Get our bolts. First main bolts. And our 2 side screws. What you think of these guys? Cool. Okay. So we get this headlight connected. She'll just do like so.